Hey everybody, our sweet adventures. Jake and Brenda here.
Hello.
Today
We are making gobbler goodies.
All right.
So what we have here is mini marshmallows, Rice Krispie cereal, and this little block back here is for like the frosting, kind of to keep things together. And we've got Oreos, we've got the candy corn, the Whoppers, and I've separated these because these will be the gobbler, these will be the feathers, and then of course in here is most of the assembly of the actual turkey. And oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. And then we have butter to melt for the Rice Krispie cereal. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. So I've got this out to attach the cookies to each other, or this chocolate fudge. We'll just see how that goes. I'm not too sure. Never made these before, so. Okay, we've already melted the butter here, and we're going to put in the marshmallows and get those. Turn it around here. And this is probably going to take a while. We got to get these melted. And then the next step is to put in the rice cereal here. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead, get this melted down, and we'll come back and put the cereal in. All right, here we go. It's all melted, as you can see. I'm just gonna slowly pour some in there. You know, it always looks like there's not enough, but I'm sure there is of the marshmallows. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this all stirred up, and then we're gonna leave it cool down for about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll get back. Okay, well, this was quite a challenge. We did one to show it, and I believe that the frosting is the best thing to do to adhere things, like the candy corn to the Oreo. And the thing is, actually, this coating, that's what the eyes are, and that's what is help holding on his beak. Mm-hmm. And from here forward, what we're gonna do is I started this, and we've got the wings on, and we've assembled these. Now the next one I do, though, instead of the chocolate frosting, I think I'm going to be using this. So,
and these feathers back here, that's with the ends broke off here.
Oh yeah, this is the little piece.
That's going to be the nose, right? The
yeah,
beak.
that's
beak.
that. Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Right. So, first thing is I'm going to put the head on here, because that, and I made a little indentation on the actual Rice Krispie.
Yeah.
And then just, push it down hard like that. Mm-hmm. And sometimes some of them may be looking over here or looking over there. You just don't know. So, all right. Now, his beak. So he is going to be kind of looking towards to the side there. So, all right. And this sets up really nice. And so now, got to get 2 little eyes. There's one. Look at, he's looking up at you. And it doesn't, the instructions don't tell you that that's the way it should be done. We tried to do it the way the instructions were, and there was just no way. No way that was going to work. So now you have to adhere this to the back of the turkey here, like that. So I'm going to turn him around. And you can take, like they said, you can take this off if you want and use it for something else. But we just thought it would be better that you didn't do that, simply because that does kind of help hold that turkey down there. All right. And I am going to put a little of this back here. And really, you want to set your Rice Krispie, the body, forward as far as you possibly can, so that when you put this together, then it'll sit on top of the, better get him turned around here, on top of the cookie batter, on top of the back cookie batter, and will be sturdier and stay there better. Yeah. So, and it really is tricky.
Yeah, they're tricky.
It really is. So
we've got a lot of them to make for the grandkids.
Yep. So there it is. There we are.
Yeah.
And
Not bad, huh?
so we're going to just continue off.